In this video, which aims to guide you on how to withdraw funds from the CryptoGuru app, open the app on your device. After logging in, you will see the main interface displaying the available balance in your account. However, there is an important point you must know before attempting to withdraw this balance. The balance shown is not real money. Although your account may appear as if you have funds ready for withdrawal, this amount is entirely virtual and cannot be used outside the app. The CryptoGuru app is designed as a simulation platform for learning trading, so all the balances and transactions you see are fictional and do not represent real money. The amounts shown in your account are not withdrawable or transferable to bank accounts or e-wallets. These funds are part of the simulation system within the app, which helps you learn cryptocurrency trading safely. Therefore, if you wish to convert your funds into real value or use the balance in real markets, you will need to move to real trading platforms.